It's time. I didn't put the keyboard in. Genius. Okay, keyboard. Here we go. Now we're good. Okay, let's get this thing set up now. I can see. I can wear a hat. Time to get this computer up and going. Where do you start? Start with Adobe. I gotta remember all your logins. I haven't logged in things in forever. Everything's so auto login. Yeah, thanks. And then when you gotta actually type it in, you don't remember it. Oh yeah, internet's important. I've got an ergonomic mouse now, normal mouse like this. The one I have now, the handle's like this, so it's like sideways, so you're working like that. So it feels weird using a regular mouse now. Maybe this. Ah, that was it. Okay. Oh, download that. Okay, I feel I noticed myself being really procrastinatory, if that's even a word, whenever it comes to something like this, trying to swap over to a new computer. You got so many things you built in. I've used that computer since 2014, if not before. And so everything is just in it, programs, plugins, presets, all that's in there. And I'm trying to find all those and transfer them over, make sure everything's... It's also hard to do something like this when I make everydays. Well, this is taking a while. Anyways, for today's agenda, I need to do dishes and stuff. If I get to a spot where things are uploading and ready to go. Right now, if you can see, oops, it's just doing this whole thing right there. Just waiting for it. So I'm just kind of waiting. I don't know. Wait, I just realized this monitor has speakers. Gotta share my view I have while I'm waiting for this thing to load. Nice cloudy day. Things are starting to bloom. I don't really like that. I'm all about the winter and fall times. All things blooming means I'll be sneezing and itchy eyes and hot weather and Thank you, Retro Geist. Look at there. So now this was stuck at 9.5%. So I don't know how long I'll be sitting here waiting for this thing to go. Obviously, you're not gonna wait that long. I'll cut that mess out. So while this is at 9.5%, I may take a break and go play around a Warzone or so. All right, I'm gonna go play Warzone for a minute. I'll be back. Woo! Back after Warzone. We're sitting at 92%. Oh, 100%. Perfect timing. So now, I think I can install these without having to swap licenses over, which would be very nice. Oh, 63 fonts are activated. I like fonts. Is that too bright now? Maybe we should put that on auto or something. Nah, I don't like auto. Dang, I'm at 12,000 ISO. 6%, hang on. Let's see, while we wait. 10%. What about that new Midnight song? Alright. Enough of that. Yeah, progress is slower. Get on it. And we're still sitting at 10%. Okay, well, let's do something else. Don't eat these. Still at 10. Just to show you how bad it is. Did all the dishes and all that mess, and we are still sitting at 10%. I need to clean this off too. Alright. Alright. We are still sitting at 10%. Okay, so one of y'all mentioned in the comments you wanted to see the outside of the Honda. Well, here we go. Right there. Oh, there it is, see? Alright, let's start that tour. This was not me. Not me. This was not me. This was a driver who didn't know what they were doing. We had an insurance dispute because they came in my lane and caused all that. So nothing ever happened with it because nobody could prove what happened. Over the years, got some dents and scars and whatnot. It's raining, so I won't go too far out there. But the only issue I have is the top of the. That's probably my biggest qualm. I used to park under a tree for many years, so I think that's what caused that to speed up. And then right here, the clear coat is having issues. But outside of that, the clear coat's still on there. It's nice. It's a 95 Honda. But yeah, there it is. Anyways, got 380,000 miles on it. Still kicking. Still kicking. But you know what the best part about it is? I don't have a car payment and I pay interest about $30 a month, so I can afford my computer stuff I needed. I'm really hoping the audio's alright. Loud out there. Hey, we're at 10%. Alright. Well, if you guys have any suggestion on vlogs or what you would like me to go do and have a camera on hand, let me know. I'm always open to suggestions because I am still new at this. It's hard when you're doing these to keep in mind that you can edit this stuff out. Like whenever I'm sitting here, I'm like, I haven't said anything in a minute. I'm cutting that part out. I think I've already got cut like marks on my. No, I don't. That's this. That's that clear thing you can peel off. I'll wait till I get my computer set up before I take that off. I think I'm gonna cut this vlog short, or not short, but not be able to finish the installation. We're still sitting at 6%. So I'm likely gonna have to just go to Walmart, figure out what I'm gonna do for dinner. I was really hoping to get this thing done and vlog the entire process, but it's just not working out. Just know it's happening. Oh, it's gonna be flickering, isn't it? Wait a minute. No, it didn't help. Okay, look what I'm having to do here. It is now officially nighttime. This is what I've been having to sit here and babysit with Adobe. For whatever reason, I don't know. I've got to go down here to internet, disconnect, wait a couple seconds, reconnect. I don't get it. And now it's done. Alright, so now the last one I've left is Audition, and then I'll be all installed. Ooh, okay. Well, this is a weird look, huh? Okay. Alright, off to go. You ready to cook? Okay. Now, off to Walmart. But as of now, that's all I'm going to do updating my computer tonight. So I got a lot done. Now to get things kind of set up back over there, my keyboard and mouse, everything back to normal so I can do my everyday for today and get that all done. I don't know when I'm filming this, whether to look here or over here. I feel like over here I make sure everything's looking right. The ISO set, everything's still good. Versus this, and I'll get better. That's about it for this vlog, and oh well, that's it.